trying to diagnose this thing. So that's what we're up to. Not sure how much I'll be able to video or do anything like that. Care if I take a picture of that? Oof. And I haven't checked it since I've owned it. Is that like some kind of a solvent cleaner or something?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay. Well, hopefully that fixed it.
I took that off.
Take what off?
That cover for the plywood.
Yeah. What size wrench?
Looks like half inch.
Would a socket fit?
Yes, with extension.
Deep well?
Doesn't matter. Need at least a 3-inch extension. Hammer off there.
It's magnetic.
Okay,
Let me up there.
that's you up there.
I gotta go up there. I can't start it from down here.
Okay, most John Deeres you get on from the back. You can't with that 3-point thingy on there.
No.
All right, I'm sorry.
You got your hand out of the way?
I'm good. Does it say anything in the book about how to adjust the clutch?
It should.
I know that, but does it?
I think the clutch is too tight, don't you?
No, it isn't too tight, it's too loose.
Too loose? How would it be too loose if it's stalling a pony?
Okay, have it any way you want it.
Installation and timing distribution, would that be it? Right there?
No, no, no.
Spark plug, we don't want that. We want the clutch. Here.
Here. No.
No, diesel engine clutch. No. 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 Timing on the diesel. That's wheel spacing. We don't need wheel spacing. Let me look online. How to tighten clutch flywheel. How to tighten the clutch on a John Deere 720 diesel pony engine flywheel. How to tighten flywheel. How to tighten flywheel, John Deere 720. Is the 720D the same as the 720?
The 730?
No, a 720D.
Yeah, that's what this is. You said D, didn't you, or G?
D.
Yeah, D. Yeah, that same thing. stop button.
It does, but it's all froze up.
All right. It's very hard on doing that.
Well, it's the only way to shut the thing down. Yeah, there ain't no way you're moving that. Ain't no way you're moving that handle. Ooh. It's all froze in there. I know what you're thinking.
You could blast.
Huh?
You could blast.
What do you mean, blow up?
Dynamite.
Oh. From shutting it off with the flywheel?
Very hard on it. Do what you did.
That's the only way to shut the thing down. So now that he's gone, and you guys heard this thing start up on its own, all we had to do was take this cover off here. There's some gears and stuff in here that you adjust to tighten the clutch up. To tighten it up. So we're gonna put it back there in a corner. Shut my door. What a good feeling to know that this thing's done and done right. Yeah. So I'm happy. John Deere 720 lives another day.